In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new window in Excel. If you've ever wished you could look at two parts of the same spreadsheet at once, compare data across distant rows, or keep a summary sheet visible while you update details elsewhere, this is exactly what you need. Creating a new window in Excel doesn't make a copy of your file. It simply opens another view of the same workbook, so any changes you make in one window show up instantly in the other. It's perfect for side-by-side comparisons and for working across multiple monitors without constantly scrolling or switching tabs. Start with your workbook open. At the top of Excel, go to the ribbon and select the View tab. If your ribbon looks minimized, just click the tab to expand it. The View tab groups tools that control how your workbook appears, and this is where the option you need lives. Next, click New Window. As soon as you do, Excel opens a second window for the same file. You'll notice each window usually gets a suffix in the title bar, like POSH1 and POSH2, which simply indicates two views of the same workbook. You can now position these windows however you like. Drag one to another monitor, snap them side by side on the same screen, or resize them to compare data comfortably. There's no extra setup required. Here's how this helps in practice. You can set one window to a dashboard or summary sheet, while the other window is focused on detailed data entry. Or, you can keep one window on rows at the top of a long sheet and the other far down the page. Edits, formulas, and formatting are synchronized between both views because they're the same file. Zoom level, scroll position, and selected sheet can be different in each, which makes it easy to tailor each view to the task at hand. A couple of useful reminders as you work. Saving from either window saves the single workbook, and closing one window doesn't close your file entirely. The workbook remains open as long as at least one window is still open. If you decide you only need a single view again, just close the extra window like any other Excel window. And if you're using multiple monitors, this feature is one of the simplest ways to boost your productivity without duplicating files or juggling separate instances. That's all there is to it. Open your workbook, go to the View tab, and click New Window. With just that, you can work faster, compare more clearly, and keep your focus where it matters.